Alright gang, welcome back to Alex's Cocktail Club. As always, I'm Alex and this is Cocktail Club. Tonight we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to make some Orgeat, or Orgeat, pronounce it however you like. It's an almond syrup with a bit of orange blossom water. It's a pretty common ingredient in a lot of drinks. It's going to add a kind of a sweet richness. We're just making the syrup tonight, but then in future episodes we're going to use it to make Mai Tais, fog cutter. There's loads you can do with this stuff. First things first is weighing stuff out. It's 2 cups of almonds, 1 1/4 cups of water, and 1 1/2 cups of sugar, which is just sort of insane measurements. But what that comes out to is equal, 300 grams of each. So we're going to do it that way. And your yield should come out a little bit more than the amount of water you put in. So we'll probably end up with just over 300 milliliters of syrup in the end. We're going to start with the syrup the way we always do. We're going to have equal weights of water and sugar. Okay, then we're just going to slowly bring that up to a bit of a simmer, and then in the meantime with our almonds, we're going to give them a little blitz. Are you plugged in? Yes. So basically we're just going to let this get to a simmer, then we're going to take it off the heat, put the almonds in it. Oh, here we go. So when I get all that in, breaking up any lumps, bring it to a quick simmer. Feel like keeping it moving is probably smart at this point. It smells pretty good. Okay, so as soon as you start seeing bubbles on there, take it away. Stick the lid on. And now what you're going to do is wait for 3 to 5 hours. Just go and do something else. Don't take the lid off there at any point. I don't know, read a book, have a bath, film a couple of other episodes, clean up the kitchen. There's plenty you could do in 3 to 5 hours.
Later that same evening.
Alright, welcome back. It's been 4 hours. So we're going to find out how our Orgeat is done. And it smells amazing. Orange blossom, and we need vodka. It's not a boozy drink, this. The vodka is a preservative more than anything. You can put brandy in there, but then it's going to taste brandily. I'm using vodka because it doesn't taste of anything, and that's going to leave us with more applications for this syrup once it's done. We're just going to strain it. You want 3 layers of cheesecloth. Just going to have that ready. Alright, so now we've got our big sticky bowl of nut syrup. We're going to put a single of vodka in there. Then we'll have a generous teaspoon of orange blossom water. Whoa. Just going to have a little taste of this. Bit of ice, bit of soda water, I think. Oh, that's so good. Alright, I'm pretty excited now to make some drinks with this. Make sure you subscribe for upcoming episodes. It's so good, it's unbelievable.